How you doing? Mark Rhodes from the band New Pollution. This one is going way back, hence the reason for the black and white video. This is a tune I first wrote a long time ago. It was one of the first songs that I actually thought, hey, might want to pick up the guitar and maybe write some tunes a little bit. Who knows? But this one was inspired by some great friends that sang it along with me every Wednesday night at BW3's here at Ohio State's campus at my open mic that I played, my one and only gig. But this is called Tiny Drops of Rain. This is dedicated to all those great friends, Rashid, Jake, Todd Penrod, Megan Ayers, Kristen Krabs, Sarah and Sarah, Abby, let's see, who else? The Klein brothers, Jesse and Jeremiah, thou shalt not forget them, and Pete Jizzle, Patrick James. So this goes out to all you guys. It's called Tiny Drops of Rain. Kinda seems a little funny, baby, but I need you gone, girl. No, I never thought that them words could slip past my tongue. And although you were a very influential person, girl, I need my life again this time. And them stars are shining so bright in the sky. And oh, them tiny drops of rain will keep falling down. Oh, yeah. You know it heals my pain. Heal my mind, cause you know I'm not made to steal, baby. Oh, not a little baby. Oh, down a little day. Do 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 down there, no, I'm not insane. Each day that just kind of goes by, girl, I need a love, but I won't try, girl, till your mask is gone. And all the little voices dwelling into my head, singing me a song, girl. Now all that I can do is sing along. Yeah, the time that drops of rain keep falling down. Oh, yeah. You know it heals my pain. Don't know what is real now. Oh, I know I gotta heal my mind, cause you know I'm not made to steal, baby. Oh, no, baby. Sing, baby. Seems a little funny, baby, but I need you gone, girl. No, I never thought that them words could slip past my tongue. Although you were a very influential person, girl, I need my life, girl. Again, this time them stars are shining so bright in the sky.